How to create an Amazon account. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through the process of how you can create yourself an Amazon account. So without any further ado, let us get started. Head over to any of your web browser. In my case, I'm using Chrome app. At the top search bar, simply type in Amazon sign up. Then you will see Amazon registration on the first search result. Tap open that link. Now once you do so, you will land onto this page. At this section, simply type in your first and last name. Here type in your email address or mobile number and create yourself a strong password. Once you do so, tap on verify email. Type in the OTP that has been sent to your email address that you just entered. Once done, tap on to create your Amazon account. And just like so, this is how you can do it. At the top bar, you will see a human icon. If you tap onto it, you will see your account details. That wraps up today's tutorial. If you'd like to see more videos on this topic, then all you have to do is comment down below and we will make a video on that topic. In the meantime, do like this video and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell icon to never miss an update from us. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in our next upload.